Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change computer name on Apple Mac PC. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change computer name on Apple Mac PC, you can use several tools. I am going to show you the first way. Click on Apple icon on upper left corner and then click on System Preferences, or you can go to System Preferences from Dock. In Dock you will find an icon System Preferences. Click on it. Now click on Sharing. In sharing, the first option is the computer name. You can change computer name from here. I am going to change the name. My current computer name is IT System Admin. Now I am going to change it to Wonderland. Okay, the computer name has been changed to Wonderland. This is the one way to change computer name in Mac computer. Now I am going to show you the second way. Now close this window. In search bar of top menu bar, open a spotlight search and then type terminal. Now open terminal. Now type sudo scutil space double hyphen set computer name. Now set the computer name. I am setting my computer name is again IT System Admin. Now hit enter. Now provide your administrative password. Again, after providing password, just hit enter. The computer name has been changed and the change will take effect after restart the computer. Now close terminal and click on Apple icon on upper left corner and then click on restart to restart your computer. After restarting the computer, I am going to check again whether the name has been changed or not. Click on System Preferences, click on Sharing. Look, the name has been changed to IT System Admin. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.